Hello everyone. I wish I had done this before I did my last video on the topic of the mark of the you-know-what. But I was led just now to go look up what the word blasphemy means in Matthew chapter 12, verse 31 through 32, where Jesus says that blasphemy against the Holy Spirit will not be forgiven. Now, I recently have someone using this passage as an argument as to why people would supposedly be forgiven for taking the mark. So let's take a look here. Okay, so blasphemy in Strong's, it's 988, and it says here slander, which is a little deceiving, right? So I opened this up here, okay, 988, blasphemia. Let's see what it says here. Switches right for wrong, wrong for right, calls what God disapproves right, which exchanges the truth of God for a lie. Now, in the video I just did regarding the mark, I talked about how the swab and the jab contain the M to the R to the N to the A, which alters one's what? One's DNA, which is one's image of God, making that person a GMO. Taking the mark, which is the you-know-what up the nose and the you-know-what in the arm, is blaspheming the Holy Spirit. And what I'm hearing right now is the beginning of the book of John, right? God is a triune God, Father, Son, and Spirit. And there's that other verse that says that God is Spirit. The mark is blasphemy. And I already did a few videos now about how the you-know-what up the nose and the you-know-what in the arm is the mark. Number 1, always ask the Lord. And number 2, do your research. And see, that's what I was just doing just now. I was seeking the Lord, and the Lord told me, look it up, do your research.